How much margin does Robinhood give? Robinhood offers margin accounts that allow users to borrow money to increase their purchasing power, typically providing a base amount of 2x leverage. This means that for every dollar you have in your account, you can potentially borrow an additional dollar, effectively doubling your buying power. However, the exact margin amount Robinhood grants can vary based on several factors, including the size of your account, your trading history, and their assessment of your risk profile. To qualify for a margin account on Robinhood, you must meet certain criteria, such as having a minimum account balance. Additionally, you'll need to be approved for margin trading, which involves understanding the risks associated with using borrowed funds to trade securities. It's also important to note that margin accounts come with interest rates that apply to the borrowed amount, and these rates can fluctuate over time. Because the specific terms of margin accounts can vary depending on individual circumstances, it's advisable to review Robinhood's terms and conditions thoroughly or contact their support team directly for the most accurate and personalized information. Understanding how margin works and its associated risks is crucial before deciding to use this financial tool, as it can amplify both gains and losses in your trading activities.